In today's video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step guide to paying an overdue invoice on Booking.com. If you've been feeling stressed about overdue payments, don't worry, we'll make it super simple and easy to follow. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, or whichever one you normally use. Type in admin.booking.com to get to the Booking.com admin portal. It's important that you're already logged into your account, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you've successfully logged in, your next stop is the Finance section on your dashboard. You'll find this usually to the left or right, depending on how Booking.com has set up your dashboard. Go ahead and click on Finance. At this point, you should be able to see a list of any invoices that are overdue. Now, if you don't see any invoices listed there, don't panic. That just means you're all caught up and there are no invoices left to attend to. Lucky you. However, if there are overdue invoices, you'll notice there's a payment option available for each one. If you do find an overdue invoice, click on it to open up the payment details. This will give you a rundown of exactly what you owe and any additional charges. So make sure to review this information carefully. Understanding the details can prevent any unnecessary future stress. Next up, it's time to set up your payment method. You'll want to make sure your bank account is linked for direct debit payments. In the Finance settings, look for Set Bank Details. Click on it to enter your bank information. Be meticulous here, as incorrect details could delay the payment. After entering your information, don't forget to hit Save to confirm everything. This step is crucial because without saving, the system won't register your bank details and your payment won't go through. Once you've saved your bank details, Booking.com should automatically process your payment for the overdue invoice. This way, you won't have to worry about it and you can breathe a sigh of relief knowing everything's settled. And that's it. You've successfully paid your overdue invoice. That wasn't hard, was it? If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips. Your support helps us create more content aimed at simplifying tasks just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.